Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from EV Sportline, coming to you from our headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia, with another new product for the Rivian R1S and R1T. You know, we've made a lot of upgrades and accessories for the Rivian family, and one thing that's super commonly asked from customers is, what about window tint? Now, if you're local to us in Atlanta or in LA, come to us. We're happy to tint the windows however you like. But it's also really common for customers to say, hey, I'm not local. Do you have a DIY kit? Can I do this window tint at home? And the answer now is yes, you can. We have specifically engineered this DIY kit for success at home with a novice, a DIYer. If you've never tinted windows, it doesn't matter. Get our kit. It includes everything you need, all the tools. We have a nice step-by-step video that will take you step-by-step on how to install the window tint on the Rivian. Find your way to success. With our DIY window tint kits, we have a few options for you. First of all, you can pick which windows you want to tint. We offer the front quarter window, the front door windows, the rear door windows if you have an R1S, the secondary rear door window, the rear quarter on the RS, the back of the cab on the R1T, or the tailgate on the R1S, and of course, a sunshade for the front of the windshield. Next, you have to pick how dark do you want the tint. Every local jurisdiction is going to have different rules on what's legal or not. Typically 35% on the front doors is the max legal limit. We offer 35, 25, and 15. The lower the number, the darker the tint. The back window here from the factory is 25. So if you want to match the darkness of the back on the front, you select 25 for the front. Keep in mind though, the front is going to have extra light coming in from the windshield, maybe from the top. So even if you match the tint 25 to match the back, it can still appear a little bit lighter. So sometimes people opt for 15 on the front, which is technically darker than the back, but because you have light coming in from other sources, it makes it look a little more balanced on the side. And of course, if you just want mild, regular window tint that's street legal, 35 is going to be what you want on the front. So what does installation look like? You need to watch our videos step by step and we go through the details, but the basics are simple. First is cleanliness. You're going to wash the truck, you're going to really clean the windows. We provide a razor blade and a scuff pad so you can definitely make the windows clean and ready to go. We pull some window trim off the doors, which is easy. It's just pulling a seal off. And then it's a matter of spraying the window down with our slip solution, lining up the tint carefully, and then squeegeeing it out. After that, the two doors do require a little bit of a heating process because of their contours. The window tint has to be shrunk a little bit, but it's an easy process. You follow our instructions. We include the tools, we include the heat gun. You can do this and succeed at home. All right, that's it. If you're ready to go to the website evsportline.com or follow our links below and you can pick out a kit that's good for you. Okay, everybody, give me a thumbs up if you like this video and you're ready to DIY your window tint. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. We have a lot more Rivian content coming your way.